Hello everyone. Today I want to share my experience of visiting Khajur, one of the most beautiful place in Himachal Pradesh. It is often called the mini Switzerland of India. And when you visit it, you truly understand why. As soon as, as soon as I reached Khajur, I was amazed by its natural beauty. The fresh mountains airs, the lush green meadows, and the tall deodar trees made me feel calm and happy. In the middle of the meadows, there is a lake that adds even more beauty to this wonderful place. Many tourists enjoy horse riding and taking beautiful photographs here. I loved walking on the green grass and admiring the breathtaking views of the surrounding mountains. Every corner of Khajia looked like a beautiful painting. The weather was pleasant and the cool breeze made the visit even more enjoyable. Spending time in nature helped relax and forget all my stress. I felt grateful to witness such a beautiful place. If you ever visit Himachal Pradesh, I highly recommended visiting Khajur. It is the perfect destination for nature lovers, family, and anyone who wants to experience peace and beauty. Thank you for watching